Okay, let's be real for a second. We all want to make more money in 2025, right? It's January and it's the beginning of the year. But who has time for burnout, sleepless nights, and 12 different side hustle? Not me. And I'm sure, and I'm guessing right now, not you either, right? So what is the solution? How do we make it big this year? Simple. 1, work smarter, not harder. And by the end of this episode, you will know exactly how to set up multiple income streams without turning into a stressed out, caffeine-fueled zombie. Not you, not me. Question for you. Did you know the average person spends about 3,500 hours working in a year? Imagine if just a fraction of that time went into building wealth instead of just paying bills. Stick around and I will show you how. In this episode, I'll be teaching you real good. And I will show you how to make cool money legally by having multiple streams of income.
Welcome to the FAM Podcast, a podcast about finance and mental health, teaching you good monetary habits to increase your income and improving your relationship with money, all while helping you with your mental well-being. And now here's your host, Brymo Moru.
Welcome back to the FAM Podcast. I'm your host. My name is Brymo Moru. And today we are diving into a topic that has got the potential to change your life, or at least make your bank account a lot happier. Guys, we are talking about multiple income streams here. Why? Because in 2025, relying on just one paycheck is like going to an all-you-can-eat buffet and only eating breadsticks and crackers. Not good. By the end of this episode, you will learn, number 1, the smartest way to diversify your income. Number 2, you will learn how to avoid common pitfalls like signing up for Ponzi schemes. Number 3, you will learn how to get started without losing your sanity or your weekends. Trust me, this is one conversation you don't want to miss. Before I continue, call your friends, call your partners, your husband, your wife, because Brymo is on the FAM Podcast, and today I will be showing you how to make cool and real good money. One paycheck is a recipe for disaster. Let me hit you with some hard truth. Over 60% of people will struggle to cover a £1,000 or $1,000 emergency funds. Meanwhile, inflation is out here acting like it owns the place, and your paycheck is playing catch up. And you want to sit down and just watch and rely on one paycheck? No. Remember, when I thought getting a raise meant I was rich, I just spent more. Turns out, one paycheck is like dating someone who's great on paper but terrible in reality, unreliable and full of red flags. If you only have one source of income in this year, 2025, you are walking a financial tightrope with no safety nets. Not ideal. What exactly are income streams? I'll tell you, don't worry. Let's break it down. Number 1, active income. This is what you earn from working your normal job, 9 to 5, freelance gigs, or that weekend jobs you go for when you're not working weekdays. Those are active income. They come in, you rely on them. Then passive income, money that works for you. This is cool, man, right? Investments, rental income, royalties, and basically the dream. You are the boss right now. If you got this kind of income, I salute you. The next one is portfolio income. This is return from stocks, bonds, or even mutual funds. Think Wall Street vibes without the drama. That's portfolio income, my friend. Active income pays the bills. Listen, I'm coming. Passive incomes buys you the freedom. Ooh, I love that. Portfolio income, that's for when you want to flex at brunch. Which of these 3 income types excites you the most? Think about it, and I will share my pick later. The 2025 Income Streams Starter Pack coming from me to you free of charge. I target the 2025 Income Streams Starter Pack for you. Here is how your roadmap to financial glow up will look like. 1. Freelancing. Get a skill, my friend. Writing skills, graphic design, even voiceover. Monetize it. Fun fact, freelancers earn over $1 trillion last year. You don't believe me? Cuckoo Google them. Ask Two-Face. Cuckoo Google them. Check it out. Number 2, create content. Content creation. People are cashing in on their creativity. And no, you don't need to dance unless you want to. People are making cool money on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube. What are you using your skills for? Have you ever sat down to think about what are the skills I have inside of me that I can monetize? You're just wasting your skills anyhow, free of charge. So you can just diversify into making cool money. Monetize your skills, my friend. Number 3, start small. That's investing. Start small. Apps like Robinhood or eToro makes it easier to begin as little as $5. You should know exactly how to trade. But before you start trading, spend time to learn if you don't have other skills, okay? Number 4, e-commerce. Got something to sell? Etsy, Shopify, or even on Instagram, eBay? This can be your storefront, free of charge. If you want to go further, maybe a little percentage to the platform. Number 5, digital products. Create an ebook, courses, or even printable planners about what you know, your skills. It's one and done income that keeps paying you back. You are sleeping and your money is working for you. You wake up in the morning and you check your bank account and you see money drop in while you are asleep. Money is working for you. If I had $1 for every time someone said, but I don't have any skills, I'll be rich. Trust me, you've got skills. You just need to market them. You got skills, man. Quick reality check. Not all income streams are created equal. Don't get me wrong. Avoid pyramid schemes. If someone says, hey, Mr. B, join me and now recruit 10 friends and run faster. Run. If someone says, join me and recruit 10 friends, run faster than Usain Bolt. Run. Don't spread yourself too thin. Starting 10 side hustle at once is like a recipe for burnout. Keep it legal. I repeat, keep it legal. I don't care how tempting that get rich quick scheme sounds. If that scheme is shady, it's not worth it. Run. If your side hustle involves disguises, fake IDs, secret meetings in the dark alleys, you might want to reconsider, my friend. I did not tell you that one. No. Don't go and do all those scam things. We don't share that kind of idea on this platform. How do you start without overwhelming yourself? Number 1, start with one stream. Yes, just one, and focus on it. Number 2, dedicate at least 30 minutes a day. That's less time than you spend scrolling on Instagram and TikTok, my friend. Number 3, celebrate small wins. Your first $10, £10, that's proof it works. The next thing is to see how to increase that, how to strategize and make sure it's well packaged and enrich it with more content or more workable patterns that will make you have good income coming in. When I launched my first side hustle, I made $50 a week. My guy, it wasn't easy, man. It wasn't life-changing, but it was proof I could do it. And the little win for me to keep going. And we have the Farm Podcast going now. We are almost a year counting, man. The Farm Podcast, we are doing okay, man. We didn't give up. We keep on going because we believe we can do it, because it works. People are doing it and we can do it. Okay, time for fun quiz. My friend, what's the number one side hustle that grew the fastest in 2024? Stick around until the end of the video for an answer. It might surprise you what the answer is. Listen, 2025 is your year to stop surviving and start thriving. Building multiple income streams isn't just about money, it's about freedom, my friend. It's about security and power, and to design your life on your terms. So whether you are freelancing, investing, or launching that Etsy store or that eBay store, remember, every small step adds up to big results. Personal finance is personal, and your mental well-being is priceless. Your personal finance is personal. That means what works for you might not work for other person. So stick and stay on your path and grow your income. Thank you guys for tuning to another episode of the Farm Podcast. If this episode fired you up, hit that subscribe button right now and share it with friends and family, and let's make 2025 the year we all glow up financially, mentally, and emotionally. Oh, and the answer to the quiz, you think I was going to forget, right? Nah. The fastest growing side hustle in 2024 was content creation. Your people are cashing in on their creativity. Why not you? Content creation. Man, I'm so blessed, man, that I'm in this department of content creation, and we are doing good. And that's why we come here every day to share with you. At the end of the day, you think about the skills God has blessed you with and monetize it. You are your source of your income. You got something inside of you. Don't let anybody talk you down. Money is important because it's linked to your well-being. If you don't have money, you'll be unhappy. Trust me, even God wants us to do well financially so that we'll be able to support His work. If you don't have money, man, you'll feel low, you'll feel down, you won't be happy, So that's why it's important that we know exactly how to manage our money, or how to scale up, how to create wealth, so your children will come and enjoy what you've created. We don't want our kids to go through what we went through when we're growing up younger. That's why I keep on coming. I keep on giving you this content free of charge, because I know finance is key to happiness. If you have financial problem and you have mental health problem all coming together, that's a union from hell. That will not be your portion in Jesus' name. So guys, remember, personal finance is personal, and your mental well-being is priceless. Until then, stay safe, stay fabulous, and God bless. Bye-bye.
for tuning in to another episode of the FAM Podcast. We hope you learned something valuable today. Be sure to subscribe wherever you heard this podcast so you never miss a future episode. And remember, health is wealth, and wealth is health. We'll see you next time.